Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ledger and Lace. Today I'm going to show some cabinet cards that I made for a display cabinet. And so this is Dr. Charles Bennett, and the display cabinet that these cabinet cards are going into, his great-grandson donated the skull that and some other medical artifacts to go in this cabinet. So I made cabinet cards. So anyway, there's the picture of him, Dr. Charles Bennett in medical school. And there's the back. And then here's another one. So I designed these in Microsoft Publisher, and I think this frame I got from the Microsoft Creative Commons, yada yada, whatever. Anyway, so there's that, and then there's the back. And this is an end page. I think these end papers came from Nick the Booksmith's Jane Austen July kit. This is an end paper that I had in my graphic stash, and this is another end paper that I had, and then this is Mrs. Bennett, Dr. Bennett's wife, Pearlie, and so these are going to sit in the display case. And yeah, all right, so now let me show you my rejects and mistakes, or as I like to call them, prototypes. And so originally I just backed this and I thought, oh, it'll just sit like that, but it's a little flimsy. So I sturdied it up, and then that's a little, you can see, a little smaller. And then originally I was going to set up a sort of parlor situation, like Victorian parlor, in the corner, but I didn't do that. So, but this originally was going to be like the backdrop of that. And then here's the other one where I glued the back before I put the donated by, etc., and all that information. So yeah, so anyway, I'm going to give these to his great-great-grandson, not great-great, just great-grandson, for his collection, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!